Hello friends, I'm Sudhir and you are enjoying the YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, today we are going to explore some multiple choice questions based on John Keats' popular composition called Ode to Autumn. But friends, before we proceed, as usual, I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in the coming days. Friends, John Keats no doubt was one of the greatest poets and he belongs to the Romantic age or Romantic period of English literature. He was born in London in 1795. Friends, although he is now seen as a part of the British Romantic literary tradition, in his own lifetime, John Keats would not have been associated with other major Romantic poets, and he himself was often uneasy among them. Friends, the different themes that he used in his compositions or literature, like love, beauty, joy, nature, music, and the mortality of human life. Friends, here there are some popular compositions composed by John Keats, like Ode on Melancholy, Ode on a Grecian Urn, Ode to Autumn that we are going to explore today, Ode to a Nightingale, and so on. So friends, today we are going to explore some multiple choice questions and their answers based on John Keats' popular composition called Ode to Autumn. So friends, without delay, let us move and see around 25 multiple choice questions based on Ode to Autumn. So let's move towards the first question we have. The first question we have: John Keats was born in dash. Options are A. Canada, B. England, C. America, and D. Italy. Correct answer is B, and it is England. Second question we have: John Keats was born on dash. Options are A. 31st October 1795, B. 13th October 1795, C. 31st October 1759, and D. 13th October 1759. The correct answer is of course A, and he was born on 31st October 1795. Question number 3 we have: who calls Keats one of the inheritors of unfulfilled renown? Options are A. Shelley, B. Byron, C. Scott, and D. Southey. The correct answer is A, and it was Shelley. Question number 4 we have: what was the span of Keats' life? Options are A. 24 years, B. 25 years, C. 26 years, and D. 27 years. Correct answer is C, and it is 26 years. The next question number 5 we have: dash wrote the famous pastoral elegy on the death of Keats. Options are A. Coleridge, B. Scott, C. Wordsworth, and D. Shelley. Correct answer is D, and it is Shelley. Question number 6 we have: what was the title of the elegy written by Shelley on the death of John Keats? Options are A. Lycidas, B. Adonis, C. Astrophel, and D. none of these. Correct answer is B, and it is Adonis. Question number 7 we have: Pure Poet is the title given to dash. Options are A. Keats, B. Shelley, C. Coleridge, and D. Wordsworth. Correct answer is A, and it is Keats. Question number 8 we have: the word Hellenism is associated with dash. Options are A. Shelley, B. Keats, C. Wordsworth, and D. Coleridge. Correct answer is B, and it is John Keats. Question number 9 we have: Keats is considered as the master of dash. Options are A. the sonnet, B. the ode, C. the elegy, and D. none of these. Correct answer is B, and is considered as the master of the ode. Keats died in dash. Options are A. France, B. England, C. Rome, and D. America. Correct answer is C, and that is Rome. He died in Rome. Question 11 we have: Keats died on dash. Options are A. 23rd February 1821, B. 28th February 1821, C. 23rd February 1812, and D. 21st February 1822. Correct answer is A, and he died on 23rd February 1821. Question number 12 we have: Keats is associated with dash literary movement. Options are A. Renaissance, B. Romanticism, C. Modernism, and D. Postmodernism. Correct answer is B, and it is Romanticism. Question number 13 we have: dash was the cause of the death of Keats at such early age. Options are A. Disease of consumption, that is tuberculosis. B. Frustration. C. Criticism. And D. Drowning. Correct answer is A, and it is disease of consumption. Question 14 we have season of mists and dash fruitfulness. Options are A. Fated, B. Fancy, C. Mellow, and D. Mighty. Correct answer is C, and it is mellow. Question number 15 we have which literary device kids frequently use when he refers to autumn. Options are A. Simile, B. Metaphor, C. Personification, and D. None of these. Correct answer is C, and it is personification. Question number 16 we have which of the following is not a driving theme of the poem. Options are A. Love, B. Nature, C. Innocence, and D. Death. Correct answer is A, and it is love. Question number 17 we have where are dash of spring. A. Where are they? Options are A. Song, B. Sounds, C. Sorrow, and D. Signs. Correct answer is A, and it is songs. Question number 18 we have which personification of autumn appears in the poem. Options are A. An apple picker, B. An old man, C. A gardener, and D. A gleaner. Correct answer is D, and it is a gleaner. The next question we have question number 19 dash poetic device does not appear in the poem. Options are A. Onomatopoeia, B. Simile, C. Personification, D. Metonymy. Correct answer is D, and it is metonymy. Question number 20 we have dash is the poem setting. Options are A. The English countryside, B. Italy, C. Southern France, and D. America. Correct answer is A, and it is the English countryside is the setting of the poem. Question number 21 we have the tone of the poem is dash. Options are A. Excited, B. Angry, C. Understated, and D. Anxious. Correct answer is C, and it is understated. Question number 22 we have close bosom friend of the maturing dash. Options are A. Mystery, B. Sun, C. Flower, and D. Day. Correct answer is B, and it is sun. Question number 23 we have in the last stanza the speaker does not hear dash. Options are A. Birds whistling, B. Bees buzzing, C. Lambs bleating, and D. None of these. Correct answer is B, and it is bees buzzing. Question number 24 we have dash metaphor is used by John Keats to describe the difference between spring and autumn in the poem. Options are A. Music, B. Love, C. Time, and D. Death. Correct answer is A, and it is music. Question number 25th we have until the think warm dash will never cease. Options are A. Days, B. Years, C. Moments, and D. Memories. Correct answer is A, and it is until they think warm day will never cease. So friends, all these are the multiple choice questions based on John Keats' popular composition called Ode to Autumn. I hope friends you have liked all these multiple choice questions discussed in this video. If you have really liked it, I request you to like it, share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. Friends, if you are a new viewer to this channel, I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in the coming days. So friends, we'll meet soon again with a different video on different piece of literature. Till then friends, just take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.